You're going to love the 2007 Hummer H3 SUV. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the refined 5-cylinder engine, providing a spirited yet composed ride and drive. Four-wheel drive allows you to go places you've only imagined. Top features include a split folding rear seat, a rear window wiper, one-touch window functionality, a tachometer, remote keyless entry, a roof rack, and power windows. Passenger security is always assured thanks to various safety features such as dual front impact airbags, traction control, a security system, OnStar, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. A Carfax history report provides you peace of mind by detailing information related to past owners and service records. We have a skilled and knowledgeable sales staff with many years of experience satisfying our customers' needs. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.